3 weeks ago, a woman named Dorothy sat across from me in my office. She's 74. She told me her legs feel like they're filled with concrete. Every evening her feet turn cold, her ankles swell, and she can barely make it from the kitchen to her bedroom without stopping to rest. Her daughter drove her to see me because Dorothy was afraid she was having a heart attack. She wasn't. But what I found was in some ways just as alarming. Dorothy's circulation had deteriorated significantly. Blood wasn't flowing properly to her legs, her feet, or her brain. She was dizzy when she stood up. She had numbness in her toes she'd been ignoring for over a year. And when I asked her what oils she cooked with every day, her answer told me everything I needed to know. She was using the same refined vegetable oil she'd bought for decades, the one her doctor never warned her about, the one that was quietly destroying her blood vessels from the inside out. My name is Dr. Robert Hale. I have practiced internal medicine for over 25 years, and today I need to tell you something urgent. The oil sitting in your kitchen right now may be the single biggest reason your legs feel heavy, your feet stay cold, and your circulation is failing. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you 7 oils backed by real research that can help restore blood flow, reduce arterial inflammation, and get your legs feeling lighter again. And at the very end, I'll reveal a simple 2-oil combination that creates a synergy so powerful it could change how your entire body feels within days. But first, I need to warn you about the oils that are silently causing damage. Because if you don't stop using these, nothing else I tell you today will matter. Highly refined vegetable oils, industrially processed soybean oil, mass-produced canola oil. These are the oils most people over 60 have been cooking with their entire lives, and they are a disaster for your blood vessels. Here's why. These oils are stripped of every protective compound during processing. What's left is a concentrated source of omega-6 fatty acids that fuel chronic inflammation inside your arteries. That inflammation irritates the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. Over time, your arteries become stiff, rigid, and narrow. Blood flow slows. Your legs pay the price first because they're the farthest from your heart. And here's what makes this even worse. These oils are everywhere. They're in your packaged foods, your restaurant meals, even products labeled as heart-healthy. Every time you consume them, you're adding another layer of invisible damage that your body, especially after 60, struggles to repair. There's another major offender: reheated cooking oil. If you've ever reused oil for frying, you need to hear this. When oil is heated repeatedly, it undergoes chemical changes that produce free radicals and toxic compounds. These substances directly attack the inner surface of your blood vessels and reduce your arteries' ability to relax. One study found that consuming repeatedly heated oils significantly increased markers of vascular damage in just 4 weeks. Now let me show you the 7 oils that do the opposite. These oils calm inflammation, protect your arteries, and help blood flow more freely to your legs, brain, and heart. Oil number 7, sesame oil. This one has been used for thousands of years, yet most people completely overlook it. What makes sesame oil remarkable is its unique antioxidant profile. It contains compounds called sesamol and sesamin that actively protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Here's what that means in plain language. Oxidative stress is like rust forming inside your arteries. It damages the lining, triggers inflammation, and accelerates plaque buildup. The antioxidants in sesame oil help prevent that rust from forming. Studies show that sesame oil supports healthier blood pressure and reduces the low-level inflammation inside arterial walls that is one of the earliest drivers of circulation problems. It helps keep the endothelium calm and flexible, which means blood flows more smoothly. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Use it for light sautéing or drizzle it over finished dishes. Oil number 6, avocado oil. I recommend this to almost every patient concerned about heart and circulation health. Avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that has been consistently linked to improvements in cholesterol balance. When oleic acid replaces the damaged fats in your diet, LDL cholesterol tends to decrease while your protective HDL cholesterol stays strong. This shift directly reduces the conditions that lead to plaque formation and arterial narrowing. But here's why I especially like avocado oil for seniors. It has one of the highest smoke points of any natural oil. That means you can cook with it at higher temperatures without it breaking down into the inflammatory byproducts that damage your vessels. Sautéing, roasting, even light pan-searing, it stays stable. If you have insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, avocado oil is particularly beneficial. Stable blood sugar and healthier fats work together to reduce the vascular inflammation that destroys circulation over time. Oil number 5. Virgin coconut oil. Now I know this one creates confusion. For years, people were told coconut oil was dangerous because of its saturated fat content. The truth is more nuanced than that. Virgin coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These fats are metabolized differently from other fats. Instead of being stored as body fat, MCTs are rapidly converted into energy by the liver. This matters for circulation because excess stored fat and insulin resistance are closely linked to vascular inflammation and plaque buildup. What's especially interesting is how virgin coconut oil affects your cholesterol transport system. When used in small, controlled amounts, it can raise HDL cholesterol. HDL is your cleanup crew. It carries excess cholesterol away from your arterial walls and back to the liver for processing. That's called reverse cholesterol transport, and it's one of your body's most important defenses against clogged arteries. But I want to be clear about dosage. This is one where more is definitely not better. 1 teaspoon per day. That's enough to get the benefits without overloading your system with saturated fat. Oil number 4. Black garlic oil. Most people have never heard of this one, and that's a shame because the science behind it is fascinating. Black garlic is made by slowly aging regular garlic under controlled heat and humidity for weeks. This process dramatically increases its antioxidant capacity, far beyond what raw garlic can offer. The key compound that forms during this aging process is called S-allyl cysteine. This compound neutralizes oxidative stress inside blood vessels, which is one of the primary drivers of arterial damage and plaque formation. Research shows that black garlic oil can help lower LDL cholesterol while supporting mild vasodilation. That means it encourages your blood vessels to relax just enough to improve circulation. Better blood flow to the brain and extremities, less coldness in your hands and feet, less heaviness in your legs. Because of its concentrated nature, use black garlic oil as a functional addition, not your main cooking oil. A small amount mixed into salad dressings or used like a supplement is all you need. Oil number 3. Flaxseed oil. This is one of the most powerful plant-based oils for vascular health, and I wish more of my patients knew about it. Flaxseed oil is the richest natural source of alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 that plays a critical role in calming inflammation throughout your entire body. Chronic inflammation inside the arterial wall is one of the key reasons blood vessels stiffen and lose their ability to regulate blood flow. The omega-3s from flaxseed oil help protect the endothelium and reduce the risk of abnormal blood clot formation. Blood moves more freely, circulation improves. This is especially important for anyone concerned about stroke risk, leg circulation, or early signs of atherosclerosis. But I need to give you a critical warning about flaxseed oil. Never cook with it. Never heat it. Flaxseed oil is extremely sensitive to heat, and cooking with it destroys its beneficial fats and creates harmful byproducts. Always use it cold. Stir it into yogurt, drizzle it on salads, or blend it into smoothies. Oil number 2. Extra virgin olive oil. If there's one oil I could recommend to every single person watching this video, this would be it. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most extensively studied fats in all of cardiovascular science, and the results are remarkable. Large population studies consistently show that people who consume extra virgin olive oil daily have up to 40% lower risk of heart disease. Not 4%, 40%. What makes it so powerful? It's not just the healthy fats, it's the polyphenols. These natural compounds actively reduce inflammation inside your blood vessels. They protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation, which is the critical step that turns regular cholesterol into artery-clogging plaque. When LDL stays in a less reactive form, it's far less likely to stick to your arterial walls. Extra virgin olive oil also supports healthier lipid balance overall. It helps lower total cholesterol while preserving your HDL over time. This creates an environment where arteries remain flexible and responsive, Exactly what you need for healthy circulation. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Use it for light cooking, but it truly shines when used raw. Drizzle it over vegetables, mix it with lemon juice for dressings, or add it at the end of cooking. Consistency matters more than quantity. And now, number 1. This is not a single oil. It's a combination. And when you understand why these two oils work together, you'll see why this could be the most important thing I share with you today. Chia seed oil combined with extra virgin olive oil. When you pair these two oils together, something powerful happens inside your blood vessels. You're bringing together two completely different but complementary mechanisms. Chia seed oil delivers a concentrated source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s calm inflammation inside the vessel wall and reduce blood viscosity, meaning blood flows more easily and smoothly. At the same time, the polyphenols in olive oil protect your endothelial cells and support nitric oxide signaling. Nitric oxide is what allows your arteries to gently widen and contract as needed. This is critical for people over 60, where vessels often lose their elasticity and peripheral circulation begins to decline. Together, these two oils create a double effect. One calms inflammation, the other protects and softens the arterial wall. Working together, they support cleaner, more flexible, and more responsive blood vessels than either oil could achieve alone. Here's how to use it. 1 teaspoon of chia seed oil combined with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix them into warm water with a few drops of lemon. Take it first thing in the morning. The warm water helps absorption while the lemon supports digestion and adds mild antioxidant support. This simple morning ritual takes less than 2 minutes, but I've seen patients tell me that within the first week, their legs felt lighter, their feet were warmer, and they had more energy throughout the day. Dorothy, the patient I mentioned at the beginning, she made 2 changes. She threw away her refined vegetable oil and replaced it with extra virgin olive oil for cooking. And she started every morning with the chia and olive oil blend. When she came back to see me 6 weeks later, the heaviness in her legs had improved noticeably. Her feet weren't turning cold at night anymore, and for the first time in over a year, she walked from her car to my office without stopping. She looked at me and said, "Robert, I feel like I got my legs back." Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one oil from today's list that you haven't tried before. Use it consistently for 7 days. Pay attention to your body. Do your legs feel lighter? Are your feet warmer? Is your thinking clearer? These small shifts are signs that circulation is improving and your arteries are starting to respond. Then come back to this video and tell me in the comments, which oil did you try? What changes did you notice? Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe. I share one new health warning every single day designed specifically for seniors who want to take control of their health. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'm Dr. Robert Hale. Remember, your kitchen is your first pharmacy. The right oil, used the right way, can be daily medicine for your heart, your brain, and your legs. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.